Alright, howdy everyone. Thank you for joining me. Well, this is a continue from part 1. Hopefully you watched part 1. I hope you did. Anyways, if you didn't, please go check it out and pass it along. Guess what, you guys? You're gonna get to see the delicate arch in this video. Yay! I'm so excited for that. Along the way, we just drove through some other viewpoints. Here is Fiery Furnace viewpoint. We were just kind of driving through because, like I said in the other video, part 1, unfortunately we found out that dogs are not allowed on the trails. So we kind of just had to drive through, and we had to kind of sacrifice one person sitting back in the vehicle to keep an eye on the dogs, and we chose the delicate arches, which I think we realized once we finally chose it, it was actually really worth it to go see and to check it out. So C Smash and I are gonna go check it out, and you will see it. It's coming up here soon, real shortly. Just want to kind of give you some other views and points of interest and stuff like that along the way. Alright, well, enjoy the video. Okay, everyone, so we decided to make it to the walk where you can actually walk to the delicate arches. So it's 1.5 miles there and 1.5 miles back, and we're gonna go see what it looks like up close instead of the viewpoint. Okay, you ready? Come on, let's go. So far seems okay. Oh, we just got started. What am I talking about? Oh, it's like a little ranch house up here. Wolf Ranch. John Wesley Wolf Ranch settled here in the 1800s. Huh. Cool. Okay. Yep. Alright. Well, we're gonna go in a little further and we'll touch back with you in a little bit. Alright. See you in a little bit. Maybe it's gonna be around the corner. You wanna find out? You gotta keep following me. Let's go. It's not here yet. That's okay. You're still going up. Oh, we have to go up that still, you guys. Someone said we're almost there. Whew. So we're gonna go. Getting stung by mosquitoes. Okay. Whew. Okay, we can do it. Oh, come on, guys. It's worth it. Let's go. Oh, okay. I'm so hot. Okay. We can do this. Oh. Don't come in June. Going. Okay. As I keep saying, a trillion, billion, gazillion, I don't know how many times. It's June. It's hot. I don't know if it's just humid, but it's not really like, it's like 85 to 86 degrees or something like that. But it's hot right here. I don't know if it's all sun, the desert, whatever it is. But we're gonna go stop and rest around the corner. Let's go, come on. Here for a minute, huh? Get some water. Okay. Oh, I think we're almost there. Let's see what's around the corner. Come on, hurry up, let's go. Follow me, let's see. I'm hearing that we're almost there. All right. Ready? Don't fall over the edge though. Oh, yeah. Woo! That's beautiful, huh? All right, you guys, we made it. This is the delicate arch. Woo, so beautiful. All right.
How are we gonna do that?
Excuse me.
Ragged? Yeah,
Look, this is the other side of the view. Nice, huh? Man, that was a hike, and it was very hot because, as I said a million times, it was in June, but I really feel that it was worth the whole entire trek just to see the delicate arch. You gotta go see it.